day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I am Genevieve Rivera Padrugani, 24 years old, college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management at Pasig City College. Married, I have one child, 1 year old and 4 months. This is my first time to applying abroad, but I have an experience here in the Philippines as a household worker. They have a 4 member in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. The one is 28 years old and the one is 35 years old and the one is 5 years old and the one is 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, laundering, car washing, tutoring children, and take care of a child and playing with them.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
I am only one maid in my employer house.
Do you have experience in taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. In my own baby by changing clothes, changing diaper, and preparing bottled milk.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I'll be patient and treat them like my own child.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I'll be busy myself to do my work, and if I have a free time, I will play the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will ask the rules and regulation and follow their satisfaction.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will polite and say sorry and do not do again the same mistake.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind. It depends on my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to give my family a better life, and of course because of the higher salary.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give us a nursery song?
Yes. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, sir, madam. I know it's for you to select a new domestic helper. I am here applying and promise to be that if you will hire me, I will do my very best to be a good domestic helper and follow your rules and regulation, and do not complain, and I treat your family as my family too. And I promise I will finish my contract as long as you like me. Thank you and hope to see you soon.